Well, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is how I used to shoot my videos. I cut a block of wood, attach it to my broken tripod, then attach the MagSafe charger here, so I can, every time I sit down, I can magnetically connect it like this, adjust the angle, have my phone charged, and shoot a video. I can also adjust the height easily, but I cannot create vertical content. It will be blocked, or this side will get into the view. Therefore, I just found this one on Amazon, so I'll be able to use my phone with a tripod. I noticed there is a 1/4-inch adapter. I'll be able to do this easily. I feel like it is a fantastic extension to my current setup. So I removed the block of wood with a metal 1/4-inch insert. It has this MagSafe charger accessory holder, which is a perfect fit for the Apple MagSafe charger, wireless charger. Has a cutout for the wire. Then I attach it here. The original setup is a piece of magnet. Insert like this, secure it, so it will be able to have certain flexibility as well. I rotate the reused tripod extension pod, tighten it using 1/4-inch adapter. It also has the cold shoot adapter, but in this case I'm not going to be using it. I'll be able to rotate it like so. Here I'm going to point this way so the cable can run like that. It's a cleaner setup. Now I can easily shoot vertical videos and have my phone charged at the same time. Look at that. Yeah, I just want to quickly share this idea with you. I do have to secure all the screws up there. You know, this is just, it cost me nothing to make, because this is a recycled, very old piece of tripod stand. Tripod with a 1/4-inch. That gives me a lot of flexibility, so I'll be able to do this. This is iPhone 13. You can certainly run larger phones. I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro Max to record this video. Yeah, and this tripod, this stand has a freely rotatable, a lockable knob, so I can lock it down. The only drawback I think maybe is I cannot push as back too much, maybe like this. I still be able to do this maybe. And when using the wide angle lens, yeah, it will get a little bit here. So maybe I want to adjust it in the way that it will not get in the view. Yes, that is perfect. Yes, I think this is what I'm going to be using for my future videos. If I want to sit down here and talk about my other tools and the electronic accessories and so on. I also got a additional set so I can use it on my tripod. Maybe I can reuse this piece with a car mount, the car adapter. This one will definitely not going to waste. If you are an Android user, I think you'll be able to use this ring adapter to create a MagSafe mount for your device. For example, you'll be able to use a really cheap phone, Android phone, for my testing. Yeah, so yeah, tons of use cases. So you can use it for a tripod, for a top-down mounting, like so. Lots of possibilities. This is, of course, I have to move it this way to the right side a little bit to accommodate for, to center the camera a little bit more, because it is originally designed to be used here, which is perfectly centered. I have to take off these screws and relocate this block and move it over a little bit and align the whole setup. Highly recommended. You can easily find this kind of tripod mount on Amazon and create your own setup like this if you wanna, shoot a very quick video, create TikTok videos, top down. This feels like a perfect setup for me. I should have done this same upgrade long time ago. And of course, you don't have to buy it. All you need is a MagSafe charger with the Apple one, or any third-party chargers will just work. You need a block of wood, maybe a longer block of wood, so it acts as the arm, so you can do an offset like this. I just didn't spend the extra time to do that. This piece out of the box works great. But the Apple charger probably is a must-have, the MagSafe from Apple. Not only it's very reliable, but the size fits perfectly. I tried the Baseus MagSafe chargers. It runs a little too big. So this was the one I tried to use from Baseus. I like this charger a lot, but it will just not fit. There's a little hole here, so I can push it out. Anyway, keeping the phone charged when I'm shooting the video, and when I'm using the microphone accessory, that's the only way to keep the phone powered without using that Lightning to USB Type-C adapter. I guess MagSafe is just way better. This is one of my favorite MagSafe applications of all time here. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.